By 2025, 70% of new business applications will use no-code technology. In recent years, no-code machine learning tools have made significant progress, enabling people from non-coding background to harness the real power of machine learning. In fact, according to a Gartner report, by year 2025, 70% of new business applications will use no-code or low-code technologies, and this is up from 25% in year 2020. Today, we are going to dive into top 3 no-code tools that will turn you into a machine learning wizard as conveniently as you could subscribe to our YouTube channel. For each tool, we'll give you a brief overview, a short demo, enabling you to use them the right way. So let's get started. First up, we have Teachable Machine by Google. This user-friendly tool allows you to train machine learning models to recognize images, sound, and even poses. That's right, you can teach a machine to tell if you are doing the chicken dance or a dab. All you need is a computer, a webcam, and your imagination. The generated models can be easily extracted, shared, integrated into apps, websites, and devices, fostering creativity and innovation in the world of AI. Here are a few advantages of Teachable Machine. It's a web-based and super easy to use platform. There's no need to install any software on your machine, and it's absolutely free with no hidden fees or charges. Talking about the cons, there's limited customization which is possible on the platform right now. It's generally great for beginners, but advanced users may find it a bit restricting. Secondly, for now, it's limited to image, audio, and pose recognition for now. There's another similar tool to Teachable Machine, which is called Lobe.ai, coming from the house of Microsoft. You should try that as well. Second no-code tool that I have for you is Orange. No, I'm not talking about the fruit or the color. I'm talking about the open source no-code machine learning tool that's ripe with possibilities. Orange is a powerful data mining and visualization tool that provides an easy-to-use visual programming interface for machine learning. So you can simply drag and drop widgets to create powerful machine learning pipelines. The open source platform offers a comprehensive library of data mining and machine learning components, making it an ideal choice for beginners and experts alike. Talking about the pros, the first one that comes to my mind is its visual programming, which is the drag and drop interface, which makes it super easy to use. Second is it's great for teaching. Orange is an excellent tool for educators to introduce students to machine learning. Talking about the cons, it requires a slightly steeper learning curve. Some users may need a little time to get familiar with Orange's interface. Last but not the least, we have Obviously.ai. Because obviously we need another tool on this list, right? Obviously.ai is a no-code predictive analytics platform that allows you to build, deploy, and monitor AI models with just a few clicks. It's perfect for wannabe business analysts and data enthusiasts who want to make data-driven decisions without coding. All you have to do is to just upload your dataset and let Obviously.ai work its magic. Through a user-friendly interface, users can easily import data and select predictive goals and receive actionable predictions within minutes. Talking about the pros, first one is it's easy to use. No coding or machine learning expertise is required for using this tool. Second one is its automated model selection. It chooses the best model for your specific use case, so you don't have to. Third one is its integration. It connects easily with popular tools like Google Sheets, Zapier, and more. Talking about the cons, the thing that comes to my mind is its pricing. Unlike the other two options that we have, Obviously.ai comes with a subscription fee if you need the full access. Otherwise, they do offer a free plan with usage limits. Second is the limited use cases. It's mainly focused on predictive analytics and may not cover all the machine learning use cases that you may want to try. So that's a wrap on our 3 no-code tools for machine learning. We hope these tools help you unlock the power of machine learning, even if you can't tell Python from a Python. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech content. Until next time, happy coding, or should I just say happy no coding.